Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about opening and creating an account with BullX. In order to do so, first off, here we are at bullx.io, and as you can see, once you arrive, it is going to request that you connect to Telegram. So that's something that you're going to need to do. You do have several options when it comes to Telegram, whether it's a mobile device or a desktop. That is something that you can install, and once you have done so, then you can come back here and you can click Connect Telegram and go through the steps. Once you have gone through the steps, then you're going to find in Telegram that it's going to add the BullX bot, and once you have done that, then you will be signed up with BullX, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.